Okay, similar situation here. Two chords are intersecting, and we're just going to use the idea of part times part equals part times part. This one, obviously, a little bit more work is involved, 2 times 9. And the other way is x times x plus 3. So you're thinking in your mind, yes, let's do a quadratic. A little distributing, setting equal to 0. And let's factor that quadratic. So we need to multiply, get negative 18, so the signs are going to be different. And we need to get positive 3 in the middle, so it's plus 3 minus, plus 6 minus 3. That gives me 6x, negative 3x gives me this positive 3 here. They do multiply to give you negative 18. So when I'm looking at my answers, of course my answers are going to be negative 6 and 3. And then you want to make sure that that seems like good things to have. So if we're talking about x is a length of something, x cannot be negative. And if you had negative 6, it would make this negative and this negative. So that answer is out. But 3 will be fine. So 2 times 9 is 18. 3 times 6 is also 18. So your answer is right here. X equals 3. Beautiful.